Hello everybody, this is Gerald, your favorite duck in the whole world. Now this is my cameraman. He's going to teach you how to do some kickflips and some ollies. Here is Grayson the cameraman.
Which causes the motion of it going in the air like that. So it's take it from the middle, slide, and then it should go in the air at least a little. So it's whatever. I'm not doing that with my hand. It's just like this. Yeah, I'm not gonna push it up high, but because I don't want to mess the camera angle up. But just take your knees. I'm gonna bend them. Now, a front side 180 is a little bit different. You just go up, ollie, and it's a rotation, which I personally don't do front side 180s that well, but I know some other people might. Now, this is not me trying to teach myself how to front side 180 better. No, let's just go ahead and get into the last trick, which might not even be considered a trick. Might be considered the old school kickflip again, except with your foot on like this. And I'm gonna mess it up a couple times. I'm probably not landing it all in this way. Dang it. You know what, this is just an annoying trick to do, but all you have to do is take your left foot or right, doesn't really matter, put it in the front, and right before you kick, you lift it up pretty high, like this. And after you do that, you should be able to pop it up and flip it like it's a kickflip. So like, instead of doing this, you'll be doing this. So you might want to pressure a little bit like this, to where you can do this. To where, you know, you're not touching the board and it'll be a little easier. So that first, same step, just gonna do this. Like, basically the kickflip that I taught you. You're practicing that, then I will come and practice while you're doing this. So it's just, dang, it's harder, guys. It's harder. I'm not gonna land it, but for ad revenue, which I don't get, none of us get this, you can ask Laserbeam. He doesn't get any ad revenue, and I'm not going to either. That doesn't matter. We ain't looking for the ad revenue. Yes, we are. Okay, doesn't matter. We're just gonna lift our foot up like here, and basically lift your foot up while you're kicking this. So it's like, how do I describe it without messing up in the video? Okay, hold on. So it's just, dang it, guys, I cannot land this trick. It's not really a beginner's trick, but it does not require an ollie, so it's gonna be a beginner's trick. You know, it doesn't require an ollie or anything. This, just take the tip. Hardest trick to learn here is an old school kickflip. I barely know how to do it, and I like to consider myself still decent, but I still can't really complete old school kickflip like this. Like, even when I try to position my feet right, it's just, can't ever pop it up higher. But if you can do that, I will consider you. If you guys can do that, say it down in the comments. If you're near Lebanon, like, nah. But we will have some games of skate recorded. We'll have some skate recorded. We'll have all of this other great skateboarding stuff recorded. Yeah, we'll have some skate. We'll have tutorials on how to do kickflips, old school kickflips, ollies, nollies, nollie shove-its, like anything. Just learning how to, you know, learning how to ollie tricks you should know. Front side 180 is not the first trick you should know in an ollie. How to ollie higher, which I might need to, you know. Ollieing higher is just practice. So, but basically, here's just before, I'm assuming you want to know how to ollie higher next video. So, before you go,
Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Check out our other videos and